Hey everyone, welcome back. If you spend hours playing Roblox and want to keep your account safe, then this quick tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Roblox using an Authenticator app. Let's get started. First, you need to download an Authenticator app. Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, both work great. You can find them on the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, open Roblox. On the home screen, look to the left-hand menu and click on More. Then select Settings. From there, go to the Security tab. Under the section that says Two-Step Verification, look for the option that says Authenticator App and click to enable it. This is the most secure option for 2FA. Roblox will now send you an email with a verification code. Go to your inbox, copy the code, and paste it back into Roblox to continue. Now, you'll see a QR code on your screen. Open your Authenticator app and scan this QR code. It will add your Roblox account to the app. You'll now see a 6-digit code inside. Your Authenticator app, copy or memorize that code. Head back to Roblox, enter the 6-digit code, and click Verify. Once that's done, you'll receive a set of backup codes. Save these in a safe place in case you ever lose access to your phone. Check the box that says, I've saved my backup codes. Then click Close. And that's it. Your Roblox account is now protected with two-factor authentication. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Stay safe and see you next time.